Facebook can be limiting, especially when you're posting long text. You need a computer so that you can post a long text, and that is very inconvenient, especially when you don't have a computer around. But today I'm going to show you how to go about solving the challenge in a mobile phone. I'll need to go to my browser. Any browser can work. So you are going to head over to your Facebook account, and what you are going to do is that you are going to utilize a feature in the Chrome browser or any browser. Any other browser has the feature. You're going to click on the three dots, the menu of your browser, and then there's a feature here called the desktop site. You are going to tick that checkbox, and you're going to experience a shift on how the web page looks like. After now turning on the desktop site, you can see that the page looks like it is on a computer, and that means I can post the long text here. So I'm going to write a post here, and you'll see the effect. So I'm gonna paste the story. You can see the full text appears on this screen. So I'll just hit the button post, and then it is going to post my story or my text, my long text. Let's check the post. Okay, you can see it's very long, and here it is. You can see the last words are grow together, which is actually the actual text on our color note.